So now over here in SketchUp, let's see how we can go ahead and edit out the styles that we have in SketchUp. So to go ahead and do that, I need to go around over here onto Windows, then go around onto Default Tray, and then what I'm going to do is click on Styles right here, just like this. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that Styles is here. Let me just go ahead and minimize out the other options right here, and you can see that there's this style right here. So we're in select mode, as you can see, where you can go ahead and select out the style that you want right here. So I'm just going to go around over here onto in model right here and then select this out. So this is where you can choose. But if you want to go ahead and edit it out in detail, then you can simply go around onto the edit tab, and here you have an option right here to enable and disable the edges. So you can see the edge right here, so you can simply go ahead and enable or disable it. You can also go around and display out back edges right here and change around the profile right here, just like this as well. So you can go ahead and choose the thickness of the edges. You can go for the depth, hue, extension, and so forth. So you can go ahead and see that as you click on it, different elements actually pop up. So you can go around over here onto like, let's say for example color, or let's say for example choose around certain color right here, just like this, and the edge color will be changed out just like that. Similarly, there are other sections, like over here you can see that there's the front color right here. So you can go ahead and select out the front color. You can even go ahead and select out back color right here. So if there's any, let's say for example faces right here, so let me just go around over here onto this face, delete it, and you can actually see the back color right here, just like this, that you can go ahead and choose. So you can even go ahead and then change around, let's say for example the transparency settings. You can change around the ambient occlusion, which allows you to go ahead and add in detail and intensity right here, as you can see right here. So apart from that, you can also see that you can go ahead and choose the background color right here as you want right here, just like this as well. Press OK, and there's the background color. And similarly, you can see that there's the sky color that you can choose as well. And you can even go ahead and change the horizon color right here, change around the ground color, and so forth. So you can see that you can be really detailed regarding your style right here. Click on it right here to go ahead and update and save out the style. So apart from that, you can also go around over here and see that you have an option to add in watermark if you want as well. And you even have other options, as you can see, that we're going to go ahead and explore as we progress through the lesson. But these are the three basic elements that you need to know in order to go ahead and change the look as you want right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And then once you change around the style, you can go ahead and create a new style right here. So let's just go around and name this as sample. Click on new style right here, and this is what you have. So this is the simple style that we have, the sample that we actually made, and this is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and edit out the styles as necessary inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.